Today I am reviewing the Schluter Ditra-Heat-E-RS1 smart thermostat with floor sensors. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first impression is visual. The mirror finished glass front gives it a clean, modern appearance that feels appropriate in contemporary bathrooms and kitchens where radiant floor heating is most common. Unlike bulky, outdated thermostats, the RS1 looks intentional and refined. The touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate. It does not require a steep learning curve, which is important because a thermostat should simplify your life, not complicate it. Performance-wise, the most important aspect is temperature accuracy and consistency. With the included floor sensors, the thermostat monitors the actual floor temperature rather than relying solely on ambient air readings. This distinction matters. Radiant floor heating is about surface comfort. When set correctly, the floor remains warm without overheating the room. In testing, the system maintains stable temperatures with minimal fluctuation. The heat cycles feel controlled and predictable, rather than abrupt or inconsistent. One of the strongest advantages of the RS1 is its smart control integration. It connects to a companion app that allows remote access and scheduling. Being able to adjust your heated floors before you wake up or before you return home adds genuine convenience. Instead of running the system all day, you can program heating schedules that align with your routine. For households in colder climates, this translates into both comfort and cost savings. Voice assistant compatibility adds another layer of integration. While not essential, the ability to adjust settings through a smart home ecosystem enhances the experience for users already invested in connected devices. Energy tracking is where this thermostat becomes particularly valuable. Many heated floor systems operate blindly, with users having little insight into energy consumption. The RS1 provides usage data through the app, allowing you to monitor patterns and adjust accordingly. Over time, this information helps you fine-tune schedules and temperature settings to reduce unnecessary runtime. It transforms floor heating from a luxury feature into a manageable, transparent system. For energy-conscious homeowners, this is a meaningful benefit rather than a marketing extra. From a technical standpoint, the thermostat supports both 120-volt and 240-volt DITRA-HEAT-E-HK heating cables, with a maximum load of 15 amps. This makes it suitable for a wide range of installations, from smaller bathroom floors to larger heated spaces. For even larger systems, Schluter offers additional power modules, ensuring scalability. The versatility and voltage compatibility is practical for contractors and homeowners who may be retrofitting or designing new builds. Safety is another critical component. The built-in Class A ground fault circuit interrupter provides protection by automatically cutting power in the event of a fault. With electric floor heating installed beneath tile or stone, electrical safety is not negotiable. The integrated GFCI simplifies installation because it eliminates the need for separate protective devices in many cases. During setup and testing, the self-test functionality works as expected, giving reassurance that the protection system is active. Installation, however, is not a casual DIY task for everyone. While the interface and setup process are straightforward once wired, proper electrical installation must follow Schluter's installation handbook and local electrical codes. This is especially important to ensure the warranty remains valid. The 3-year limited warranty provides confidence, but only when installation guidelines are strictly followed. For homeowners unfamiliar with electrical work, professional installation is the safer route. In daily operation, the thermostat performs quietly and reliably. The touchscreen responds smoothly, and the app connection remains stable. The scheduling interface is intuitive enough to create weekday and weekend routines without frustration. The mirror finish, while elegant, can show fingerprints under certain lighting conditions, but this is a minor aesthetic issue rather than a functional flaw. In terms of limitations, this thermostat is optimized specifically for Schluter Ditra-Heat systems. It is not a universal floor heating controller designed for every brand. That specialization, however, is also its strength. Because it is engineered for compatibility within the Schluter ecosystem, integration is seamless and performance is predictable. Overall, the Schluter Ditra-Heat-E-RS1 smart thermostat delivers where it matters most: precise temperature control, intelligent scheduling, energy monitoring, and built-in safety protection.